Nigeria's health boost. 70% local drugs, 30,000 new jobs. For years, the average Nigerian has grappled with the twin challenges of accessing affordable, quality healthcare and the constant fear of counterfeit medications. But there might be a glimmer of hope on the horizon. A new announcement by the federal government could potentially revolutionize Nigeria's pharmaceutical landscape. The government has entered into a strategic partnership with the US Pharmacopeial Convention, USP, to ramp up local drug production. The goal is ambitious, to produce 70% of Nigeria's drug needs locally by 2030. If achieved, this would not only reduce the country's dependence on imported medicines, but also create thousands of jobs. The partnership also seeks to establish a centralized facility for bioequivalent studies and advanced analytical laboratory services. This facility will ensure the quality of locally produced pharmaceuticals by leveraging USP's global expertise, thereby boosting local manufacturing capabilities. This development comes at a time when Nigerians are increasingly demanding better healthcare services. With a population of over 200 million, the potential impact of this initiative on public health is immense. Before we commence the analysis of its impact on the economy, hit the subscribe button to tag along. Job creation and industrialization. A cornerstone of the plan is the creation of 30,000 jobs. This will not only alleviate unemployment, but also stimulate economic activity, as new jobs lead to increasing spending. Moreover, the establishment of a robust pharmaceutical industry will foster industrialization, a key driver of economic growth. Foreign exchange savings. Nigeria currently spends billions of naira annually importing drugs. By increasing local production, the country can significantly reduce its import bill, preserving foreign exchange for other critical needs. This will strengthen the naira and improve the country's balance of payments. Technology transfer and skill development. The partnership with the USP will facilitate technology transfer, enabling Nigeria to acquire advanced pharmaceutical manufacturing capabilities. This will lead to the development of a skilled workforce, enhancing the country's human capital. Increased tax revenue. A thriving pharmaceutical industry will contribute significantly to government revenue through taxes. This additional income can be used to fund essential public services such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Export potential. With a growing population and a rising middle class, Africa presents a vast market for pharmaceutical products. If Nigeria can produce high-quality, affordable drugs, it can become a major exporter, earning valuable foreign exchange. While challenges such as infrastructure, power supply, and regulatory hurdles must be addressed, the potential economic benefits of this initiative are immense. If successfully implemented, it could be a game-changer for Nigeria's economy. Speaking of game changer, you know that feeling when you're munching on those overpriced lettuce leaves at your favorite salad bar, and you can't help but wonder where it all comes from? Well, a Nigerian minister might have just cracked the code to growing your own, and in the most unexpected places. The Ministry of Steel Development has unveiled an ambitious plan to address Nigeria's persistent food security challenges. By repurposing abandoned vessels into greenhouse farms, the ministry aims to increase domestic food production and potentially contribute to national security. Honorable Magari Hamadu, Minister of State for Steel Development, outlined the proposal during a recent television interview. He emphasized the project's potential to alleviate food shortages and reduce insecurity in regions affected by banditry and insurgency. The initiative involves collaborating with indigenous steel companies to recover and transform discarded vessels into controlled agricultural environments. These greenhouses will be strategically located in urban areas to maximize production and distribution. This, in turn, will foster development across the country. So keep the conversations alive. Subscribe, like, and share. Follow at Official Congress.